Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is a simple form using Google sidebar. I'll go ahead and show you what it does. So go ahead and put a name and then click on the calendar button, put a date, and then we'll put in an email. That should work. Submit. And you'll see I get a message saying it was submitted correctly, and I've got a UUID for this data. I used Claude.AI to write this. It took 7 versions to get what I wanted. Google Apps Script, for all of its power, is not very well documented, or maybe just not enough people posting code for the large language models to consume it. I will post the link to the GitHub gist, so that you can play with the code yourself. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, please click like and subscribe, share. Thank you, and happy computing.